Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I get design resources, and I'll also be making use of Pinterest. So let's open up Pinterest, and once it's opened up, you can see there are lots of design resources. Let's start from pictures. Like you can see there's a picture here, a beautiful picture of a happy lady. I think she's dancing or something. So you can see there are other models. Like if you are looking for how do you get models from, there are beautiful models here. You can also be specific in your search, anything you want. If you want a lady that is crying or a lady that is jumping, you can just, or is he a man? Okay, let's just look for a lady jumping. Let me just see if I can find something like that. So yeah, you can see there are a lot of pictures of ladies that are jumping, and then depending on how you want it to be, if you like something like this, you can just click on it, and then once you do that, you see more options of jumping ladies or jumping men. There are just a lot of beautiful pictures here. So if it's about backgrounds, you can just simply type a specific background. Let's say you're looking for a blue background, you just come here and type blue background. Okay, and then you now see there are a lot of options, a lot of blue backgrounds you can use for your design. You can just pick anything at all that you just see and you need something like this to work with in your next design. You can just come and search for them, and the thing about it is that they are all free. They are all free. If you want to download, you just go ahead and pick any of them that you like. Okay, let me just, for example, pick this blue background. I think the network is delaying it. So I just opened up this blue background and I want to download it. I'll just click on this ellipsis here at the top left bar, and then you see the download image option, and then you just click on it and the image is saved automatically in your gallery. So there are a lot of things here, so it's easy to get resources here of good quality whenever you are designing. So there are a lot of options here, whether it's blue background, whether it's yellow, whether it's black background or pink. Let me just look for yellow. Let me search for a yellow background, whether it's a plain. So you can see there are a lot of backgrounds here that you can use, even if it's for something like an eatery now or for a church. Let's just be specific and say okay, church background. And you can see there are a lot of backgrounds that you can use if you want to create a church flyer or something of that sort. You can see this one. This one is actually designer has already done it for you. You just need to just manipulate it into something creative for you. If you need pictures of all this churchy stuff, so you can see them here, and you've just gotten inspiration and you make a beautiful design. So that is that about getting resources for your design as a graphics designer.